So I made my own luck, kept my head on straight and kicked up the dust. And the money, well, it don't mean much. I did it for the love and that was enough. The way I dreamed it ain't the way it played out. Missed every road that looked to be the safe route. No directions, I made my way out. I don't give a damn what they say, no way now. We don't care what the people say, and we don't care what they wanna do, and we don't care about it anymore. We just what we want. I ain't wasting no more time. It's now or never. I'm about to get mine. It's now or never. I'm about to get mine. It's now.
You know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about the night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats waking up to the sky.
Pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it.
Hello there. Hey.
say something. This is me, my mate, my dick, my fucking jaw, my fucking ox, my goober, my fucking
Get fucking burgered.
You're the boys! Yeah, the boys! I'm gonna pursue the happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm gonna pursue the happiness and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be
So I hope this fun day has a personal message. I hope you're all having fun. I'm fucked as a nun. Can't cried properly. I've got my cami pack. We're on the way to 4th stop Hamburgs. Just checking in with everyone. Rick out. Rick out. Time to roll. Best luck.
Until the day I die. No light to break when you're hanging my face. You know what it feels like when you're dancing blind. Just the beat inside my soul. Take me home. Where my dreams are made of gold. In the zone where the beat is uncontrolled. I know what it feels like. Come on, make me feel alive.
To all my year 12 people, especially John Bard. Thanks guys. Alright, here it is. We've spent 6 years together. I came to the school knowing no one, and I fucking know everyone. Alright, all my best friends. Yeah. Okay. Wait, can I give my message? Okay. To all the people that are here and all the people that aren't here. Is anyone not here? To all the people that aren't here and all the people here. Alright, you are the fucking best group of people I know. I swear to God. If I had gone to Heath Coach, which I could have had if I didn't get into school, I would be a wreck because I'd be a bogan with fucking drugs and shit. Let's get fucking mental. I love you. Yeah, say to year 12, 2012.
I just like to say that I'm gonna miss everybody so much.
That's beautiful. I love you.
Who has a message to year 12, 2012?
Me under shining lights. I've been waiting. I'm busy. You can't deny the truth. Really open up your eyes. If I just wanna sink inside crazy lifter, come on, make me feel until the pain don't. Every second here makes my heart beat faster. Finally think I found what I'm chasing. Just the beat inside my soul. Take me home where my dreams are made of gold. In the zone where the beat is uncontrolled. I know what it feels like. Come on, make me feel alive.
I gotta get from Melbourne side.
Let's go fucking mental. Let's go fucking mental. Wait, I was like, D12, thank you so much for everything. I love you guys so much. You've taught me more than books could ever explain. I love you all so much. Thank you. And thank you to everyone. I fucking love everyone. I love everyone. We fucking love everyone. Let's go fucking mental. Let's go fucking mental. Let's go fucking mental.
Hi, year 12, I love you. I miss you all. I'm so sad to be leaving all my best friends.
12, love ya. The other one. Alright, Benji, say goodbye to year 12, 2012.
Year 12. Love you. You made my life. You made my life.
I just wanted to thank everyone in Year 12 for being such great people.
Especially Tim Cashman, he's been great.
Especially Tim Cashman. Yeah.
Oh, we won! We won! Next up, Pat Connery!
Hi girls, have you got anything to say to Year 12 2012?
Say hi, John. Sorry.
Miss Dorothy, what do you have to say to Year 12 2012?
Guys, I absolutely love you so much. I'm gonna miss you all so much. Okay.
John OTT!
How about you
John,
get with him?
on the
Just kiss him. A peck on the lips, peck. Yeah, there we go.
One more.
Up here, Darren. This is my boy Bobber.
Yeah, Bobber! Kiss on the cheek, bruv. Yeah, bruv!
I'm West Ham till I die.
I'm West Ham till I die. I know I am, I'm sure I am. I'm West Ham till I die. United! 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 Let's fucking mental! Let's go fucking mental! Let's go fucking mental!
Smoke, tell me a dirty joke up on your roof, and we don't need nobody, it's our little party, just us two, and we don't need nobody, 'cause we go like that.
Mr. Linsky, Mr. Dell, we have arrived. It's stop number 6 and Andrew's taking a piss in the wall. This is our view. Who's that? It's Anthony.
Oh, bro, I am mega as fuck.
Entry.
Okay, last Captain Rick entry. Captain Rick.
This is Captain Rick. I'm with
Admiral Rog, Corporate Rog, and Corporate House. This has been Fridge to Fridge, St. Patrick's 2012. Last stop. It's been a good end. Cried for a little bit, but that's alright, doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, a lot.
Captain Rick
Cried
out.
a lot. Captain Rick. Captain Rog. And you're also here with Admiral House.